a hall of velvet light, she steps forward shining bright. Every breath becomes a flame, calling softly out her name. Notes rise up with gentle art, touching every listening heart. Through her voice the stories soar, opening an unseen door. This is where her truth appears, echoing through ancient years. Every tone a living guide, showing what she holds inside. Passion carried through her sound, moves the air and stirs the ground. In her gift the world can see all she offers fearlessly. Every glance and every phrase shimmers through the crowded haze. Songs of joy and songs of pain blend in one unbroken chain. Though the light may strain her soul, still she rises to her role, humbled by the love she feels, shining with the grace that heals. This is where her truth appears, echoing through ancient years. Every tone a living guide, showing what she holds inside. Passion carried through her sound, moves the air and stirs the ground. In her gifts the world can see all she offers fearlessly. When the heart sings openly, its light becomes a guide for